Are you still risking your health with these spray cans? Studies show that these spray cans contain propane or butane, which are considered hazardous chemicals and not safe. That's why I bought this 2-in-1 oil dispenser bottle, made from high-quality borosilicate glass, ensuring zero risk and saving money. This oil dispenser can spray and pour, making it versatile and efficient for your kitchen needs. Instead of paying for toxic cans every week, get yourself one of these and save your health and a lot of money.
Stop to think about what's really in that cooking spray you're using. I was making my morning eggs, and it hit me. All those processed oils and preservatives? No thanks. That's why I switched to something fresher, something better. Just fill it with pure olive oil and spray away, guilt-free. Trust me, your eggs will thank you later.
Alright, if you use these things for cooking, then you're literally just wasting your money. They only last so long and they break super easy. What you should get instead is a refillable oil dispenser like this. They work so much better. And not only that, if you need more oil, just pour. Boom. Check that out. Not only does it work way more efficiently, you're also saving the planet. And it's refillable. So that's pretty sick. If you want to get yourself one, I left a link attached to the bottom.
Stop putting these toxic chemicals in your body. Grab you one of these and put your own oil in it. And it's glass. You can spray it and pour it. I'll save so much more money just refilling this than keep on buying that. Get yours before they sell out.
Joan here knows what's up. Not only does 1 can of cooking spray not even get you a full cup of oil, but you also get some propellant to go along with it. So stop wasting money on cooking sprays and try out this oil dispenser instead. You can fill it with whatever oil you want.
You can use it to spray your oil or pour your oil.
It's made out of glass so you don't have to worry about microplastics. It's super easy to clean, and you can even use it to water your plants. This oil dispenser is available right now. Click the link right here.
Here's 2 reasons why you need this oil dispenser. Spray, pop the top, and pour. And if you just do a Google search, you guys can find out there's a lot of things in those cans that you would not expect. All you have to do is click that shop button right there.